Hey guys, just a quick video here on how to, in OneNote, put in a new document into your folder. So this here is 9SL. This is one of my classes. So if I want to bring into the document into the folder, I just go into Insert and go File, File Printout. Now this document I recently looked up, so I just go to Quick Access, and it's called Year 9 Workbook. This is the updated document I did, and I go Insert, and what it'll do is it'll upload the document. Now the next part of this whole process is I would like to share it with all my students. So the next thing to do is I will go right click and I'll go distribute page, and I'll go in health because that's the folder that I want to distribute in, and it'll send it to all my students. So once that's uploaded, I should be able to go into Alex's folder here. It's just loading. It's taking a bit longer than expected, but that's the school system for you. And that should be done now. So if I go into health, I look up Alex, and there should be 76 pages of the Year 9 Health 2018. Thank you for watching this video.